So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and charge up your PlayStation Portal. Now, this is actually a pretty basic thing. It doesn't really take too much time at all. The very first thing to understand is to find where the charging port is for your PlayStation Portal. Now, you can actually find this particular port if you flip your PlayStation Portal off to the backside, and if you go ahead and basically look at the bottom side right here, you'll see a USB Type-C port. So it's hidden under this particular portion, so it can be kind of interesting to kind of find where it's at and where it's located. But if you want to, you basically go through and basically plug in a USB Type-C cord into this particular port. So you can find the port just by kind of rubbing your finger, you can look at it, and you want to grab a USB Type-C cord just like the one I have here. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and slide this particular port in and this cord in just like this. So when you do that, what's going to happen is your PlayStation Portal is then going to start charging. So now if you go and take a look at your particular PlayStation Portal, you'll see that your particular console is actually charging. And if you have this battery icon right up here, it'll indicate that it's charging by having that, I think that green logo right there. So that's kind of how you do it for the most part. It really is that basic. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solin.